Hi everyone! In this video, you'll learn how to pronounce the as in bird vowel. The vowel is in the words bird, world, and mother. I just described the sound as a vowel. You may be thinking, isn't the R sound a consonant? Well, the R sound is both a consonant and a vowel, depending on where it occurs in the word. I discussed this concept in a previous video called the Introduction to R-Colored Vowels. And if you want more background information about the R-colored vowels, I recommend that you watch that video first. The vowel can be stressed or unstressed, and the IPA has separate symbols for the stressed and the unstressed When the vowel is stressed, like in the word bird, you'll see this symbol. You might also see these symbols or these symbols. They all represent the same stressed sound. I use this symbol in my IPA transcription. When the vowel is unstressed, like in the word mother, you'll see this IPA symbol. But you might also see these symbols or these symbols. They all represent the same unstressed sound. I use this symbol in my IPA transcription. The vowel is made up of two sounds, the sound and the R sound. But there isn't any movement in your articulators as you say the sound. It's just one mouth position, Let's take a closer look at the sound by itself and in the word bird. To make the sound, the corners of the lips come in and push away from the teeth. It's difficult to see the tongue as it pulls back into the mouth because of the lip position. But watch as the tongue pulls up and back into the mouth. The tongue is in a wide shape because you want the tongue to push against the inside of the upper back teeth or along the upper gum line. So the tongue must be flat and wide. The tongue tip is neutral. It doesn't touch anything else inside the mouth. Now you'll see the vowel in the word bird. Notice at the beginning of the vowel, the lips push away from the teeth. Then the tongue pulls back into the mouth for the R sound. When is in a stressed syllable, it is said louder and for a longer duration, and the pitch of the voice glides up and then down. Bird. But when is in an unstressed syllable, the vowel is said faster and at a lower pitch and volume. Mother. Let's take a closer look at the vowel in a stressed word like bird and an unstressed word like mother. On the left is the stressed vowel in the word bird, and on the right is the unstressed vowel in the word mother. Both vowels have similar jaw opening and tongue placement, but notice the difference in the lip position. The lips flare out more in the stressed vowel, meaning they push away from the teeth more than they do in the unstressed vowel. Stressed bird, unstressed mother, Here are some practice words and sentences. 30, 30. I'll be there in 30 minutes. Turn, turn. I love this song. Turn it up. Sister, sister. I have 5 sisters. Survey, survey. The survey said everyone agreed. Work, work. I have a lot of work to do. Never, never. I'll never do that again. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know how I can help you with the vowel.